Driving tips for rainy weather. Keep your headlights on. Always keep a check on your brakes and tires. Keep your distance from other vehicles and do not tailgate. There is always extra traffic during rainy season, so be patient. Do not use the cruise mode during rainy weather. Defog your windows using front and rear defrosters to maximize visibility. If your vehicle skids, take your foot off the acceleration and keep the wheels straight until your car stops. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.